Tasty pumpkin peas curry recipe. This recipe is very tasty when served along with rice. Just need only 30 minutes for this delicious and quick recipe. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of soaked cowpeas. I have soaked it for 2 hours. Add 1.5 cup of pumpkin cut into small pieces. Half teaspoon salt. Add 2 cups of water for cooking. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame and leave it rest for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded mixture. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Add 2 garlic cloves, 3 shallots, 3 green chillies, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Grind it nicely without adding water like this. Keep it aside for later use. We can open the cooker. Everything has cooked well. Keep aside. Now in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it sputters. Keep it low flame and add 2 chopped green chillies, some curry leaves. Mix all together. Cook for a minute. Now add previously cooked peas and pumpkin. Also add the grinded mixture, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame for 4 minutes until the bubble starts coming out. Our tasty pumpkin peas curry recipe is ready. This recipe is very tasty when served along with rice. Just need only 30 minutes for this delicious and quick recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.